And I just knew I was burnt out. I was never going to make a life and a career. I couldn't imagine 10 more years of this, of practicing law. And this is common. Burnout happens to a lot of attorneys, to a lot of business people, to a lot of high performers. For me, it was just that I never chose this career for myself. If you look behind me, you can see my license to practice law. You can see my Juris Doctorate. You can see my undergraduate engineering degree. And they told me I couldn't be happy until I got those pieces of paper. And the reality was, once I got the bachelor's degree, the Juris Doctorate, the law degree, the license to practice law, once I got the life they promised me, I had no fulfillment in it. It was never a life I chose for myself. About that time, my second year of law school, I decided to just kind of take different careers for a drive, for a test drive. In my off time, my free time, I started exploring online marketing. I started blogging about nearly everything, anything I was interested in. I started writing blog articles about it. Some of them caught on. Some people read some people didn't. Eventually, I started blogging about DWI, criminal law, driving while intoxicated, just in the city of Houston. And I learned I had a knack for online marketing as it pertains to attorneys. And it was just that little test drive. During my off time, I'd wake up early in the morning. I'd read books about online marketing. I'd listen to podcasts about online marketing. After work, I would experiment with it. I would try to build a website. I would try to make a marketing campaign. Eventually, these things started to work. Then the real test came. Could I convince someone to pay me, to give me money for this skill? And all I did was contact my friends and family. Do you know any attorneys who might need marketing? One of my friends from law school knew a guy who was starting his own DWI law firm in Houston. And I told the guy, I'll do your marketing for free for 3 months. If it takes off, we come to an agreement on a monthly price that you pay me to do your marketing. And that was it. I found something that was fun, something that I liked to do, to use the internet to make phone calls happen for attorneys. It is actually very fun. You might not think it's fun, but find something you enjoy. Find something you enjoy. Start working on it in your free time, in your off time. Get up in the morning before you're supposed to be at work and start learning about that thing. Search the internet for people who are making money doing that thing you already want to do. It doesn't have to be online marketing. It could be anything, right? It could be detailing exotic cars. I don't know what you're into, but I guarantee you someone is using that thing plus the internet and making a ton of money with it, right? And they're happy. They found a way to make a living doing something they enjoy. If you can do that, you'll never deal with burnout. Get started today.